So now we're going to move on to a level 3 cramp roll exercise. Now this is going to include both level 1s and 2s patterns, as well as both a forward and reverse cramp roll, as you've seen in level 1 and level 2. I would say that level 3 is more of a brain teaser than anything else. I would also make sure to include both level 1 and 2 in a warm-up or the exercises themselves before moving on with level 3. So for instance, with my advanced students, I do a variation of both level 1 at a high rate of speed, level 2, the pattern, both forward and reverse, before I move on to this third and final cramp roll installment. Now, the pattern is very simple. It's just 8 cramp rolls, forward and reverse cramp rolls, as you've seen, alternating back and forth. 8. Forward and reverse, it's as simple as that. So to start, right side, I'm going to do 8 cramp rolls, forward and reverse, alternating from front to back, all on the right, keeping them in time. So, counting to 8, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So now, what we're going to include now is an inverted cramp roll. One last type of cramp roll. Now, an inverted cramp roll's purpose is to exchange your weight from the right to the left. So if you're doing an inverted cramp roll on the right side, it's to prep your left leg. All that happens is you're going to invert the last 2 sounds of the cramp roll. So a normal cramp roll goes right, left, creating like a Z, right, left, and an inverted, you're going to switch your last 2 sounds, turning your feet into right, left, right, making a C shape, which will also get your other leg ready. So that's an inverted cramp roll. I make sure all my students know what an inverted cramp roll is, as well as the purpose. There's exercises that you can do that use inverted cramp rolls continually. I would start by just doing inverted cramp rolls to the right and to the left, making sure that the other leg is ready to go, and make sure that they have a keen understanding of it. So multiple inverted cramp rolls will look like this. And I always tell my students, it's the outside leg that you drop first. Now, in this exercise, the reason that it becomes difficult is because we're doing, what I'm asking for, is an inverted reverse cramp roll. And it sounds a lot scarier than it actually is. An inverted reverse cramp roll is to invert your last 2 sounds while doing a reverse cramp roll. So a reverse cramp roll, it starts with the heels. Right, left. And to invert it, we will go right, left, right. The reason being is in the pattern of all 8 to the right, we need to make sure that we get ready for our left side. So on the 8th one, you have to keep count, and remember, on the 8th, to invert your feet, to get your left foot ready. Other than that, that's all I need to think about. Just 8 cramp rolls in a row, alternating all on the right. So the whole pattern goes like this, forward and reverse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we've made it to 8 where I need to switch sides. I'm going to do an inverted reverse cramp roll on the right. My left foot will be ready to go, and I start the whole pattern on the left. Right, forward, reverse, 7. And to switch sides again, I do an inverted reverse on the left. And that's the whole pattern. It's just 8 alternating to the right and to the left. Number 8, they always have to remember, is an inverted cramp roll. So, to show you both sides, right and left, I'm going to do all 8 on the right, all 8 on the left. The way I'm going to switch my feet and alternate is with an inverted cramp roll. Here we go, starting with the right and starting with a forward cramp roll first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left. Reverse, forward, reverse, forward, reverse, forward. And my right foot should be ready to go. Now, for even more fun and a little bit more confusing, you have the kids reverse the entire exercise, starting with reverse cramp rolls on the right. So everything's going to shift in order. And the first number 1 that you're going to do is a reverse cramp roll. 8 on the right, alternating. Reverse, forward, reverse, forward, reverse, forward. 7. 8 is a regular inverted cramp roll. Left foot, start with the reverse. Inverted. Now, all 4 of those exercises together is right, left, 8 on each side, forward right, forward left, reverse, reverse. You could do it in that order. You can also do it in order where you do it all on the right, and you do it forward and reverse, all on the right. You can do it forward and reverse, all on the left. One day you can start your kids off and say to start all with reverse. Do reverses on the right and left, and then switch to forward on the right and the left. It doesn't matter. Again, it's all critical thinking. They have to keep count and remember that it's necessary to shift their weight and switch feet while using an inverted cramp roll. So I'm going to do all 4 of the patterns in a row at a speed that I think is suitable for advanced. And I hope I don't mess up. Here we go. Left. Reverse, forward, reverse. Left. I did it. Yes, and that's number 3, cramp rolls for advanced level. Thank you guys.